Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the range of values that we can store into a variable which is declared with boolean data type in Java? Let me answer. We can only store two values, guys, okay, into a variable that is declared with boolean data type, that is boolean primitive data type. Into that variable, we can only store two values, just two values, because the size of this boolean data type is only 1 bit. It's not in bytes, guys. Okay, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. But here, the size of the boolean data type is 1 bit. So it allows you to store only two values. In this 1 bit, we can only store two values in Java, guys. One of the value is true, other value is false. Apart from true and false, if you try to store any other value, then Java is going to give you a compiler error. Okay. So what is the range of values you can store into a variable declared with Boolean data type? Only two values, that is true and false is the answer because of its size, that is 1 bit. Let me explain this in detail. So in Java, we have total of 8 primitive data types. Okay, there are total 8 primitive data types in Java. First one is byte, then we have short, then after that we have int, then we have long, then we have float, then we have double, then we have char, and then we have boolean. These are the total 8 primitive data types we have in Java. Coming to the first primitive data type byte, its size is 1 byte. That is equal to 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay. Then coming to the short primitive data type, it's of double the size of byte. That is 2 bytes. That is equal to 2 at the 16 bits. Then we have int primitive data type whose size is double the size of short, that is 4 bytes, which is equal to 8 for the 32 bits. Then we have long primitive data type, which is the double the size of int, that is 8 bytes, which is equal to 64 bits. Then we have float primitive data type whose size is 4 bytes, which is equal to 4 8 the 32 bits. Then we have double, which is a double the size of float, that is 8 bytes in size, that is 64 bits. 8 is the 64. Char is of 2 bytes, which is 2 at the 16 bits. And finally, we have boolean. It's the only one primitive data type in Java whose size is not in bytes, its size is in bit, and that too in 1 bit only. Okay, it's not in bytes, it's in bit, only 1 bit. You see here 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, 64, 32, 64, 16. But this is just 1 bit. That means only two values. In this 1 bit, you can store only two values. One of the value is true, other value is false, either true or false. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a new class. I'll just name this class as class F. And with main method, I'll create. And inside this class, I'm going to create a variable and declare that particular variable with Boolean primitive data type. As I told you, the size of the Boolean primitive data type is 1 bit. Only two values, one is true or false, we can store. Apart from true or false, if you try to store anything, it will give you compiler error. So I'm storing true. You see, no compiler error. If I storing false into the variable declared with Boolean, no compiler error. Other than this, A, B, C, D, etc. or 9, if you try to store, you are going to get a compiler error. Type mismatch cannot convert from into Boolean will come. So either only two values have to store, that is true or false, because the size of the Boolean primitive data type is 1 bit, so that it allows only two values into the variable that is declared with Boolean data type. Either the one of the value is true, other value is false. Okay, or either of these two values we have to store into the variable with Boolean data type declaration. So hope guys you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.